Hello and welcome to today's video. Computers have come a long way since their inception and have become an integral part of our lives. But how did computers get to where they are today? The earliest computers were mechanical calculators, first invented in the 19th century. These devices were designed to perform simple mathematical calculations. The development of electronic computers began in the mid-20th century with the construction of the ENIAC, the first general-purpose electronic computer. The ENIAC was a massive machine that weighed over 27 tons and was the size of a small room. Advancements in computer hardware, such as the invention of the transistor and the integrated circuit, allowed for more complex and efficient computer designs. These advancements paved the way for the development of faster and more powerful computers. Software development also played a significant role in computer evolution. The creation of high-level programming languages and operating systems made it easier to program and operate computers. The emergence of personal computers in the 1970s and 1980s marked a significant milestone in computer evolution. Personal computers made computing accessible to the general public, and led to the creation of software and hardware that made computers easier to use. The advent of the Internet and mobile devices in the late 20th and early 21st centuries led to further advancements in computer technology. Cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing are just a few of the latest developments in computer technology. In summary, the evolution of computers has been characterized by a continuous cycle of innovation and improvement, driven by advances in hardware, software, and user demand. And with each new advancement, the possibilities of what computers can do continue to expand.